This is the net for a closed rectangular box. The volume of the completed box will be what? To find this, we need to work out the 3 dimensions of our rectangular box. The length, multiplied by the width, and then multiplied by the height. We can see from this long side here that the length should be 40. What about the width? Well, looking at this 20 centimeter mark here, we can tell that the cross section of our face will be 20. But what about the height? That's our last thing we need to know, and it's this value here, the sort of depth of the cube, if you will, the prism, sorry, and that's 15. When you multiply these all together, what do you get? Well, 40 times 20 is 800, and then 800 times 15 is equal to, first we have to do 8 times 15. Let's do that here quickly. 15 times 8. 8 times 5 is 40, so 0 and 4. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 4, you get 12. So, since 15 times 8 is 120, it's 120 plus 2 more zeros, and you get 12,000. So, our answer is D, 12,000 cubic centimeters.